Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to use DeepSeek AI on your iPhone and Android mobile devices. So first of all, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So basically the process is same for both the Android and iOS. So if you have an Android device or if you have an iOS device, just go to the App Store, and similarly on your Android phone you can just go to the Google Play Store. Open up the App Store, and in the search bar here at the top you can search for DeepSeek. So here it's at the top, so search for this, and same goes for the Google Play Store. Go to the search bar and search for DeepSeek, and then you can basically see here we have this DeepSeek AI assistant. So just open it up, and here you can see that it says open because I have already installed it on my iPhone. So for you it will be basically show here get, so you can just simply tap on the get option here, and for Android users it will show you the install option, so you just can simply tap on that, and then the DeepSeek AI will be open up. So now you can just tap on open, and now you can see that you can just log in here, and now you can basically use the DeepSeek AI on your Android and your iPhone devices. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.